Greetings viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Line TV. We have some quick updates in the Thursday, but before we get into the details, may I ask you for the one simple favor. If this is your first time on this channel, or if this is not your first time and you are not yet a subscriber, please pause this video for a second and click the subscription button. Also click the notification bell just so that you will be notified each and every time a new video is uploaded on this channel. If you are not new, leave a like and leave a comment. Let us finish the discussion down below. So we all know by now, Popcaan performed at the Kingston Fest the other day in Canada. It never gone too good. Him come out and him say some things lashing out against the promoter. The promoter come out and him clap back at Popcaan, and it was basically like that. Quada, who is a protege of Popcaan, him come out not in defense of Popcaan, but in defense of his entourage. This our Quada officer. He make a early post, you know. Nobody never did really know what the post really mean or who the post go for. But about 6 hours after he made the first post, him go back and make a next post, and that post was clear to everybody say, yo, a Popcaan him attack. So this are the first post where Quada make. A one artist this when I run back and no boy or gal, and no man can tell me what to do or how to do it. Me am me owner dan and boss. Who no like that? Yes, your mother. You can't take back me glory where Father God set for me. Now stop shame uno with the music, and him have a goat and then him say success. So when him say that, you don't know from time to time the artists them just like regular human beings. Them a go through whatever them a go through, and them just feel fi make a rant or vent on the social media, so them just make a post. 6 hours after Quada made that post, him come and he make this post. OTF, which we all know what that mean, a nigga can make 22 million for a show and not even would a share 100k with him crew where I support him. And Quada put a question mark. Him put the laughing emojis them and everything after that. Now, when Quada said that, it is, or should I say, was clear, see a Popcaan him attack. Because right before that, the promoter for the show come out saying that him pay Popcaan $22.5 million. So if Quada now, a protege or a farmer member of the unruly, come out and I said this is obvious see a Popcaan him attack. Not only say it obvious see a Popcaan him attack, it probably obvious say somebody within Popcaan circle tell him say, yo, watch you know. You don't know, so we there, so we hungry or with this and with that. And the man that would say, alright, buy with something for eat, buy with something for drink, because we all know how we go. From time to time, whole heap of time, young artists go up on tour with big artists, and when they come back, them come complain, say the artists not do this for them, the artists not give them no money, the artists not that. All of that happen. Not only that, Quada was a member of Unruly. A Popcaan bust him, a Popcaan bring him to the forefront. He is no longer a member of Popcaan camp, but there is a high possibility say him still link with people from the camp. We all know how that go. Just like how you have Gaza and you have Popcaan who is no longer a member, even though the Gaza kind of mash up, but just to say, Popcaan also might leave the Gaza, but them still link with a one man, whether in the music in the Gaza or just an entourage member. So probably I want a Popcaan entourage member I bring news to Quada why Quada can able to make a post like this. We don't know if a true the promoter attacks and pay Popcaan this amount of money, and we still don't know if a true Quada attack say Popcaan not even split up 100,000 for the people them who are support him. And who knows, maybe not even entourage him attack. Maybe him just attack the people them we are listen to him music, the people them we are tagging on IG. And you don't know just the regular listeners and supporters of Popcaan. Maybe are them attack, but who knows? Now spend the whole day upon that, so let's keep the ball rolling. Niki Minaj, she basically tell the world say there's a high possibility say we might have a remix between she and Skeng for Skeng song Little Miss. Now that song I run the place. It a run TikTok, the girl them love it. We cannot deny that. Niki Minaj now, she posted a video which she vibing to the song, and the caption for that video was writing my verse. So basically she had tell the world, so watch you know, look out for a remix for that song between she and Skeng Little Miss. That definitely would be a good look for not just Niki Minaj but also Skeng. we all know Nicki Minaj from time to time, she always a remix dancehall song. She basically deep in the culture to an extent. With one of the latest remixes she do was with Skillibeng. That song went to Billboard, bring Skillibeng to him first Billboard. And even though me personally feel like say she take too much of the credit because the song was released on Fear Vivo and stuff like that, so it would look like say as she a feature Skillibeng, but nevertheless it worked with Skillibeng. Because of that, we see say Skillibeng a lock the place. So she actually remixing a girl song with Skeng. The possibilities are endless, and we don't see Skeng a real rock star, superstar, not just in a Jamaica, but everywhere him go perform. So this remix definitely a go lift Skeng game, and it is something that we really would have want to see. Still over upon the international side of things, or should I say still slightly over upon the international side of things, we are seeing where Sean Paul rock the world again with another certified platinum song. This is courtesy of the track Baby Boy, which is a collaboration between himself and Beyonce. It now sell 1 million copy in US, which now makes it a certified platinum track. That is excellent news, not just for Sean Paul and Beyonce, but also for this genre when you dancehall. Speaking of sales and streamings and million and all of them thing there, Conscience just reached a huge milestone in his life, and it's also a huge milestone for dancehall because we are seeing where between YouTube and Spotify him receive 1 billion streams. That are not normal because this does not include Apple Music and Amazon and them thing there. It is just for YouTube and Spotify. Him receive 1 billion streams. So we just want to see how. Congratulations to Conscience. Congratulations to Sean Paul. Them are do good. Last but not least, over in a Port Maria, a little show keep and you don't know 450 did dep on it, Silk Bass did dep on it, Governor also did dep on it. It was a good turnout. The artists them go on good. But when me look from 450 performance, me have to ask myself and also ask you the viewers, is 450 the next new dancer sensation? Yes, you have a few people who might overshadow him or probably them name a call more than him. But will the day come when we all have to go accept and acknowledge that 450 is probably the new sensation for dancehall? The way how him carry himself whenever him go touch the stage, you see say him serious about this thing. The way how him work the stage and give the crowd the vibes and feed off of the energy of the crowd. This man serious. Them man a real performer, a real crowd rocker, and me just feel again, just like what I said with Skeng earlier, the possibilities of this artist when he 450 is endless. Yes, some names right now out there hotter than Fame, but under style, you will creep up. Anyway, viewers and subscribers, you have come to the end of this video. Again, if this is your first time on this channel, or if this is not your first time but you are not yet a subscriber, please consider clicking that subscription button and turn on the notification bell. Bless up.
I'm forward from to represent Bono. You don't know what that is. Oh, my answer. Man, still to this.